Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video.
Hello guys, welcome to another mini series. And actually, I thought about this mini series just a few moments ago because I feel like I found a very good website and it has all the exercise about the Python for beginners. And I think I would want to use my knowledge to teach you how to solve this exercise and become an advanced programmer in Python. So without further ado, let's jump into the first one, which is the character input. Yeah, the link is right here. Practice python.org, very simple. And you scroll down and you'll find a bunch of exercises here, and we will cover each exercise every day. So let's go to the first one, character input. So let's read it. Create a program that asks the user to enter their name and age, print out their uh, image addressed to them that tells them the year that they will turn 100 years old. For this exercise, the expectation that they explicitly write out the year and therefore be out of date the next year if you want to do this in a year. So whatever, yeah. So let's jump right in. So before we actually start, we need to think like, um, um, So we will need to think of the formula first. Like when the user type in their name and their age, how do we know that in which year they will turn 100 years old? And you might have solve out this whole thing. So the formula will be just deduct by 100 deduct by the age, and the answer that you get just plus to the current year, which is 2022. So I think you should know how the logic works. So let's go into the syntax first. Go into your search and type IDLE, and there will be one right here. So I will explain line by line for the beginners. If you're not a beginner, I think you are not suitable for this. Oh, sorry, should not be IDLE. Wait, the one right here. Yeah, yeah, this one. So file, new file. Remember how I repeat, go to IDLE, press this, file, new. Okay, so this type of code. So first, there will be two variables right here. The first one will be the name and the age. How do we actually prompt something? So it will be something like this. So the first one, you can give whatever name you want, but it must be very clear and precise. For example, when you type your name, the variable name should be name. You can type like ghost if you want, but that doesn't make sense at all. So name and input. This input means it prompts like it will come out something like enter your name. So yeah, okay, so whatever type you enter your name, it will come out enter your name. Quite simple, right? But we actually miss out something. So first we need to pass it to int. Um, Imagine there are various types of data type int and str string. Yeah, so this should be str, but we can ignore it as well. And your name. Okay, but in age, actually we need to put int because it is an integer. And if you might wonder what is an integer, it is just basically a number. A number. Okay, age, age. So I'll show you what it looks like. So file first just the shortcut run module F5, so I'll do just F5, but you must save it. So you might want to save it. I'll save it download, but whatever we want, I'll call this like exercise one. Exercise one. Okay, save. Go. It's responding. This is so weird. Wait, what's the problem? Oh yeah, it's a very dumb mistake. So don't forget. See one and this one, this one. Okay, so again, F5. But yeah, that was a very dumb mistake. Your name, see what we type here comes out here. So when we type like hello, my age is that. So nothing will happen because you didn't do anything. But right now we are just so if you type like enter your name, dude, save F5, oh, sorry, F1, FN F5, yeah, F5, enter your name, dude. See, it corresponds to our system. Yeah. Okay. So now let's do the logic. So like what I just said just now, because we need to still store in the variable here. Okay. But what is the logic again? Uh, I'm 100 minus my age. We'll get the um like how many age are we to 100? Like if I'm 20 years old, so I'm actually at 80 years away. How many years away we are from the age of 100? So of course, and then we need to plus 2020, which is the current year. So if I'm 20 years old right now, and I have 80 years left, plus this would be 2,100 and 102. Yeah. So we store in year, and then we use print year. Okay, we just print on year. Yeah, and if you want it to like be very short, you can just do something like this. But I would not recommend that because it's too messy sometimes and you will overlook. So yeah, let's run this. Go. And your name do. Yeah, see that's right here. So if you want it to be like better, you can do like you will be 100 years old. Go. Okay, so simply FN F5. Go. And do. Ah. So there are two types of concatenation. One like this and one like this. What the difference is with comma, yes, next year. Okay, so I'll do like this, and I'll do with plus, and I'll show you what's the difference. So run. 20. Sorry, yeah, see, there's the error right here. You cannot do int and string together, so unless you want to convert it to string, this is the first difference. Okay, this means convert it to string. String is just like you can be like ABC or 123, or int is just numbers. Okay, see, here's another difference, which is when you use a comma. Okay, I'll show you again. See, here's the difference. There's one no space here and one space. So if you use comma, there will be a space just written before the between like these two things. But if you just use plus, there will not be any space. So yeah, this is how I finish the first exercise, and I think I'll be posting the exercise daily. And I hope this explains everything to you. If you have any doubts, just leave it under the comment. And thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.